My name is Julia Caranci and I'm a Fire Information Officer with the Coastal Fire Center. We are currently responding to V61401, the Old Man Lake wildfire located approximately 9 kilometers north of Souk on southern Vancouver Island. This fire is currently estimated to be 50 hectares in size. The size was updated due to some overnight growth from winds, and also better visibility and flying conditions today allowed us to get a better look at the fire. This fire is out of control in status currently and is suspected to be human-caused. Today we have 4 initial attack crews, a Capital Regional District Parks fire crew, response officers, and aviation resources responding. This fire is burning in steep and challenging terrain, and responder safety remains our #1 priority. While the BC Wildfire Service has not recommended any evacuation alerts or orders associated with this fire, the Capital Regional District has enacted some park and recreation closures. Please check their website for the latest information. This is an emerging incident. For the latest accurate information, please visit the BC Wildfire Service website and download our app for the latest information. Thank you.